Integra Audio just announced their new DTM Network Stereo Receiver. This receiver was made for custom installation. If you have $900, you can be able to get your hands on this. Last week, I think on the Thursday, I announced Onkyo released another stereo receiver as well. And the thing here is that Integra and Onkyo are sister brands. They are sister brands. Most of the time, whenever Onkyo releases a product, 9 out of 10 times, Integra will release another product of the same standard a few days later. And this is where we have the new DTM 7.4. So the DTM 7.4 is going to be available for anyone to get their hands on, depending on what they want in their setup, depending on what they want to set up. Look, if you want something a lot more affordable, you can go for the new Onkyo TX-8470 that I announced last week. They're pretty similar in most respect. It's just that Integra, most of the time, whenever they release a product, they tend to be slightly more expensive than Onkyo, even though they are sister brands. This new DTM 7.4 network receiver is going to be priced at $900, while the Onkyo TX 8470 it was going to be priced at $800. You can see it's $100 off between each other. So everything now boils down to choice now. The DTM 7.4 is designed and is built for smart home installations. There is also the fact that it will allow you features like web setup, IP control. You also have a plethora of setup options for it. The DTM 7.4 is ideal for zones that do not require surround channels, and is also designed for easy system integration for installers. So that's something people should know before they go out to get their hands on this. The other thing again is that there is a suite of built-in custom installation integration software tools, and also compatibility with Control 4 systems, even Crestron. Everything can work with it, wirelessly, depending on what you want to do. The DTM 7.4 even integrates into any home entertainment system quite easily, without any issue whatsoever. So it's a beast of a product in many respects. I don't see anyone complaining about what it's coming with. The DTM 7.4 even comes with a traditional looking remote control. It will have built-in Google Assistant as well as Apple Siri. The DTM 7.4 even comes with a Class G amplifier that will deliver 110 watts per channel into 8 ohms. The Class G amplification will deliver efficient audio signal output for you to enjoy, basically. The other part is that you will have an AKM premium DAC chipset inside the DTM 7.4. It's an AKM premium DAC. It has support for 32-bit 768 kilohertz. So it's really, really nice in many respects. The other thing again is that connection, like in terms of connection, you get at the back, you get 4 HDMI inputs, with support for HDMI ARC. You will also have the fact that it has gold-plated speaker terminals at the back. That's something you get with this model. And another thing again is that you get MC phono input as well. So it just gives you a lot of options. So if you listen to vinyl recording, you're not going to have issues with this new product from Integra. The other thing again is that you can either get it through like their dealers, or you can be patient enough and buy it through their website. Everything boils down to what you want to do. It's $900 right now, so I'm going to drop details for you guys down below. So you do check it out and see if it's a product for you. Subscribe to the channel, like our content. I'll see you guys very much next time.